All right, we're going to put this to the test. We're going to see if the 12 volt or 20 volt cordless batteries can start a car. Life hack, we use these to test automotive parts. Great for testing blower motors, actuators, anything you don't want to throw a huge current into. Just hook up the plus or minus, battery positive, battery negative, and you can test any kind of automotive part that's 12 volt DC using a light bulb for reference, just in case you don't have a battery pack or a good booster pack nearby. And these are a little less intrusive as they're not cranking out 500 amps or anything like that. We just happen to have a car roll in that wasn't starting. Let's check it out.
Try and start it again. And that's all we're getting. Almost enough power, but not quite. I'll keep this video going so you know I'm not messing with you. Here's our 20 volt.
Material was kind of on the side of the engine.
Oh, they got fucking shredded.
Yeah, they shredded that fucking thing.
Hang on, guys. Language. Make sure we do this right, so that's negative. Here, someone hold that there. Alright, come on the other side of you. It might get hot, so. Okay, try. That's unreal.
That's hilarious.
There it is.
Well, there you have it, guys. Multi-uses on the cordless batteries there. That's why we're always good character selection in zombie games. If you enjoyed the video, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and yada, 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 all that good stuff. We'll see you next time.